Hello, hello. Today working on 1938 receiver section. That's the case for it. This is meant to be 60 to 80 megacycles ship to ship. Basically, this is the receiver section. Takes crystals down here. That is a crystal. Oh, you can't quite see it. Okay, need a 5 megacycle crystal to create the effects at 60 to 80 megacycles receiving. There is a matching transmitter. I think it's over there somewhere. And all looks good. I cleaned it up a bit. It works. Worked for a while until I noticed one of these capacitors starting to heat up a little bit, and went shut out here. The whole Sprague 10 MFD 350 VDC volts DC. I do take a chance, doing that, but oh well. So all I do is just get replacements and off to the races running. Everything else checks out A-OK. Lots of cool tubes, tuners, and transformers here. So, order those 10 MFDs, 350 volts DC, put it away and go to work on another one. So, awesome.